Steps really brought the topics to life and made the D&I case feel both personal and practical.
The team had clearly studied us as a company, and the examples they used were really applicable.
The fact that the scenarios were drawn from interviews made it very realistic.
The interactive scenes made you think about how you'd respond to similar situations in real life.
I thought the interaction with the characters and observing their behaviour worked really well. Much better than I thought it would, I admit.
I found the workshop extremely powerful.
I think watching the drama and then discussing what we saw with the characters to understand their motivation gave a really rounded view of why certain people can display behaviours.
The drama was very well done. We laughed a lot and there was so much learning.
It was such a seamless experience, even on the technical front.
The roleplay, concepts and contributions from others gave me the chance to personally reflect on my experience of discrimination, biases and allyship from colleagues and friends.
It was a very useful training, which I hope will help towards creating an inclusive mindset.
I'd suggest this training for all of our employees.